Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM in a Minute course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about roughing process. In the roughing process, actually, and our entry point is quite important. So we need to use entry as a ramp or helix. If you prefer to use ramp, it's good. After that, you also need to organize and your use entry point options. If you use entry point options, you also need to select actually your point. When I am click on the and point, actually entry point can be seen here. So according to this perspective, when we create our toolpath, we're gonna see our entry point is selected like this. Okay, this is my zigzag entry point. So it is selected automatically. So after that, we can easily enter to our product, and then we're gonna create our roughing process easily. And thank you very much.